Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to Looker Studio as a data source. This is incredibly useful when you want to visualize your spreadsheet data in dynamic, interactive dashboards and reports. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to lookerstudio.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll see your Looker Studio interface. Go ahead and open the report where you want to add your Google Sheets data. This could be an existing report you're working on or a new one you've just created. Either way, you'll need to have a report open to proceed with adding your data source. Now direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll see several menu options there. Look for and click on the button labeled Add Data. This is your gateway to connecting various data sources to your report. A drop-down menu will appear showing you different data source options available. From this menu, click on Google Sheets. This selection tells Looker Studio that you want to pull data from a Google Sheets spreadsheet rather than other sources like BigQuery or Google Analytics. Here's something important to note. If this is your first time connecting Google Sheets to Looker Studio, you'll be prompted to authorize the connection. A login window will appear asking you to sign in to your Google Sheets account. This step is necessary because Looker Studio needs permission to access your spreadsheets. Go ahead and complete the login process, selecting the Google account that contains the spreadsheet you want to use. Once you've signed in and granted the necessary permissions, you'll be able to proceed. After authorization is complete, you'll see a list of your available spreadsheets appear on the screen. This list shows all the Google Sheets files accessible from your account. Browse through this list and locate the specific spreadsheet that contains the data you want to visualize in your report. Once you've found it, simply click on that spreadsheet to select it. With your spreadsheet selected, look for the Add button and click it. This action confirms your choice and begins the process of importing that data into Looker Studio. You might notice a brief loading moment as Looker Studio processes the connection and prepares your data. Next, you'll see a prompt asking you to confirm the addition. Click on Add to Report. This finalizes the connection and makes your Google Sheets data available for use in your current report. This is the crucial step that actually integrates the data source with your visualization workspace. Now here's where the magic happens. Look over to the right side of your screen. You'll see your data fields displayed in a panel. These are all the columns and values from your Google Sheets spreadsheet, now ready to be used. You can simply drag these data fields directly onto your report canvas, drop them into charts, tables, or any visualization component you want to populate with this data, and that's it. You've successfully connected Google Sheets to Looker Studio as a data source, and your spreadsheet data is now ready to be visualized in your report. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.